To leave the safe mode on Redmi Note 14 Pro, first, as you can see right here, I'm in the safe mode, and now to actually leave it, we'll need to enter our power menu. You can first try to hold the power button and then see if the power menu shows up. If not, click on the power button and volume down button together and click on them once, and then the power menu should show up. And now when we have that power menu, we want to power off our device, and then when it's off, all you have to do is power it back on. And as you can see right now, the safe mode is gone, and that is basically everything.